Hello, Momo lovers waiting for lockdown over. Don't be. Try out this Momo in just three simple steps. Stuff, bake, serve. Here the step one begins. Soak the soya chunks in water till it becomes soft. Grate all the veggies and now squeeze water from the soya chunks and put it in a mixer grinder to get a keema texture. Now add some amount of oil in a wok or a pan. Add all the ingredients for 5 minutes and here the stuffings is ready for the momo. Make a soft dough while adding salt and oil and keep aside for 20 minutes. Roll it like this and place a generous amount of stuffings in it, and here the creativity begins. Fold it as you wish and place all the momos in the idli container for 20 minutes. After that, take it out and serve it hot with momo chutney. The ingredients for the momo chutney are on your screen. Place all the ingredients in the mixer grinder, make a fine paste of it. Share this video with momo lovers. Spread love, stay positive.